Hey everybody, Matt Zimmerman again here at Keystone RV's Innovation Lab in Salt Lake City. Standing in front of one of our most exciting innovations today, and it's really exciting because it solves a major inconvenience for RV owners today. We've heard from many of you that understanding the weights associated with loading your RV can be extremely difficult. And that's where this new innovation called LoadSafe comes into play. It makes it incredibly easy. Here with me today is Mark Bullock, our Senior Vice President of Engineering here at Keystone. Welcome, Mark. Mark, this is awesome. You and your team have been working on this for 4 years. It's a project that we're in collaboration with 3 other major vendors in our industry, MoreRide, Dexter, and ASA Electronics. Pretty awesome stuff. Can you show us how it works?
Well, sure. What this is really is an onboard weighing system. And what you see on this screen is the same thing that you would see on your phone app or on a tablet if you were using a tablet. And as you can see, what we've got here is a representation of a fifth wheel, and you can see the axles got an information bubble above them telling you exactly how much weight is on those axles at this moment. Over here you see the same thing for the hitch and also the hitch percentage here, both in the green, right? Down here we have a very simple equation that a lot of customers don't understand, but we've made as simple as possible, which is we tell you what the overall weight is of this weight rating is of this trailer, 19,000 pounds, less the actual total of the weight, the axles and the hitch, which is 16.7, which means that we have right now about 2,300 pounds of cargo left.
That's pretty awesome. So we got 2,250, 2,300 pounds of actual cargo capacity.
It can bounce a little bit once in a while.
Yeah, and man, what do you say we load this thing up and see what the weights do?
I think that's a great idea. Let's go find John.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so we're gonna watch these numbers as John pulls into the garage here, and you're gonna see that these numbers start to change. The total weight here is going up, and the cargo number is going down. All right, and he's pulling in, and it's gonna take a second to stabilize. Those sensors take a second to stabilize. You can see that he's between 250 and 300 pounds of capacity right now, which is pretty awesome, right, Matt?
Wow, that's pretty cool. So the coolest thing about this is no longer as an RV owner do I have to do any guessing. You know, I don't have to load up, think I'm okay, go down the road to some scale, off-site, weigh it, and then to find out that maybe I'm not okay, have to come back home and redo it all again. I'm doing this in my driveway and on my app on my phone. I know if I'm safe to go. That's pretty cool, but all right, everything's green here.
Yep.
So what happens if we overweigh this thing? What do we see? What happens?
Well, I think we can show you that today. We just need a few volunteers to make that happen.
All right, hey guys, you want to get in the back of this real quick? So now we got a bunch of people going in the back of the toy hauler. Wow, right away, red, Mark.
Yep, you're seeing red, and you're gonna see a warning sign flash up here in a second. And what that warning sign is telling you is that the cargo weight is exceeded on this particular trailer. You need to remove cargo necessary to bring the total weight back within the GVWR safe limit. All right, so I go ahead and dismiss that. And then I'll have one more warning up there, which also tells me that the hitch percentage is outside of the safe range, right? By putting all that weight in the back, it unloaded the front, and now we're too light on our hitch, right?
So we had 2 things happen.
Yes.
We overloaded, we got a warning.
Yep.
But then we also were warned that we took too much weight off that hitch.
Yes.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty incredible. So let me dismiss this one too. All right, and you can see here's the total values. We've got the hitch is down to 13% now, which is below the recommended minimum of a 15%. All right, we're over on our overall weight. We're at 19.8 versus the maximum of 19,000 pounds, and we're 800 pounds over on our cargo.
Wow, that is rock star stuff.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome job. There's another example of how here at Keystone RV, we are trying to make it incredibly easy, safer, and more convenient for our owners. Nice work.
Thanks.